I usually don't get worried about stuff, but this really has me worried. The ACFT 2.0 and what that means for you and the biggest changes that are going on with the ACFT. So, we're gonna start with number one. The first thing is the test is still on for October 1st, 2020. So the test will be given, the APFT will be gone. The only test you will take for the Army will be the ACFT. Now, here's the thing. It doesn't count until the 31st of March, 2022. Wait. I see a lot of Taco Bell and McDonald's. I'm sorry, I just had a vision of the Army. I am getting a little scared about this. So, the Army states that there will be no adverse action taken upon any soldier who fails the ACFT until March 31st, 2022. Meaning, there's a lot of time for a lot of people to get really lazy. I understand why they made this, because it is a new test, we had the coronavirus, and it would be unfair to just throw people into the ACFT and expect them to pass it. But do you think that's a little too long? So if you think this is craziness, that we are going till March 2022 for it to count, write down craziness in the comments below. If you think it's fair, write down fair in the comments below. The next thing that we want to talk about now is everybody is required to get the gold standard. Why they named it gold, I don't know, but the gold standard is the lowest standard we have. We have gold, we have gray, and we have black. So, gold being 60 points, all right? You need to get 60% on all the ACFT events. That is what they expect from you. And they also will not have any adverse actions if you don't. The motivation here, I don't really see it, but that's what they want you to be at, the gold standard. Now, the biggest changes that happened to the ACFT are one, the 2-minute plank for the leg tuck. And the second biggest change is the 15,000 meter bike ride is now just 12,000 meters. And you still have to get it under 25 minutes, which I think is pretty fair with the bike. If you don't, like I said before, comment below. But now with the leg tuck, I'm getting a little worried about this event. I'm hoping that the Army is just giving us time. They said this is a temporary alternate event, but they say they're just giving us time for people to acclimate to it, to get strong enough to do the leg tuck. Or are we just really trying to slowly put in an excuse or a way to get out of this leg tuck? Me personally, I hope that's not going on. We are the strongest Army in the entire world. I hope we're not gonna let a leg tuck kick our ass and make us change the test that we have. I know every male and female soldier in the Army is capable of doing a leg tuck. I know so much that I'll put out a program for anybody who's having a problem with the leg tuck, and if you follow it and you actually do it, you will pass the leg tuck. These are just my opinions. I would love to hear what your opinions are. Please comment below. And I look forward to seeing you next time.